Hello everyone, this is Technology Consultant Channel and I'm Sam. Here we are with another video. In this video we'll teach you how to recover suspended Facebook account. You just have to follow these simple 2 steps. First step, you have to open any browser and you have to log in your suspended Facebook account in that browser. After login, you will see here this agree with decision option. You have to click on it. And then here you will see upload ID option. You can upload your passport copy or national ID card copy if you have, or even if you can upload any of your utility bill also. You have to click on take photo. After taking snap, you have to click on continue, and then here you will see we received your information. Now you have to follow the second step. You have to open your Gmail, and then you have to compose email. In 2 sections you have to write down info@support.facebook.com, and in subject you have to write down my account was suspended. Here in description you have to copy and paste this stuff. And you have to come back and you have to paste here. Here in the last you have to provide your same account name which is written on Facebook. In email section you have to provide the same email address which you used to log in on Facebook. In the last, either you have to provide your Facebook username or profile link, and then you have to submit this one. And here you can see our information is successfully submitted. Now you have to wait for some time, and then you have to go to Facebook. So we have already received the email. Now we'll try to log into our account. We'll click on login, and here you can see we are successfully logged into our Facebook account, and our account is now successfully recovered. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel for more useful videos.